this is the finished product. This is the standing desk. It's a solid desk. It doesn't wobble. My printer's over there. Got my laptop there. And that's like just a little crappy drawer. I didn't install it, it's just there. I keep all my camera gear here for making videos, shooting stuff. These are my microphones for podcasting, tablet, pencil, external hard drives. So it's a super functional desk. It's very, fits me very well. It's the right size. I'm incredibly happy with this desk. That only costs like $130 for even with all the extra stuff. Good luck building it, guys.